Hey guys, this is Sean with American Sports Fish, and we're on a 2-acre lake in central Alabama. This is a lake that we shocked last fall and saw that it was extremely bass crowded. There was no structure. The bass were skinny as they could be. There's a handful of big bluegill and then little tiny ones. So what we've done, we put a whole plan together. The guys behind me, step one, we're putting out cedar trees. That structure will help grow your bluegill population, help those little ones get to big ones. We've installed a second Texas Hunter feeder. We're putting grass carp in it. This lake is shallow, not a lot of runoff, so it'll get low. That shallow water is going to cause a big problem. We're going to head it off with grass carp. We're also going to put dye in it today. We love a fertilized pond, but a lot of time in the winter, that bloom will die, and if it gets clear, vegetation can come in early and ruin your spring. So on a lot of ponds, what we'll do is dye in January and February, shade out that vegetation, fertilize on top, and you'll get your bloom without the vegetation taking over the lake. So we're gonna rebuild the lake from the bottom up, lime, fertilizer. We're gonna stock some more bluegill, and then we're gonna get some new bass genetics in here. Great part about a 2-acre lake, you can do a lot of stuff in a little amount of time and really turn it around. But regardless if it's a 2-acre or a 100-acre, give us a call. We can get it where you need it.